Too bad the weather isn't as nice. Cheer up, Velma. We can't let a little rain get us down. Tidal waves made...
Hey everyone, it's Velma here. I have about 15 minutes to do quick cosplay makeup because I'm doing Velma but summer inspired since it's a beach day, so let's get into it. Hey y'all, I have my Rude Cosmetics Manga 2B palette. You guys know that this is my favorite. So all I did was wash my face and I already primed before and I'm filling her in. Yes, I use an eyeshadow palette to do my eyebrows. You can too. You really don't need to buy an eyebrow palette. Just use eyeshadow. It works perfectly fine. Then I'm gonna grab foundation and as I said, I only have 10 minutes to get ready, so the foundation only went around my eyebrows. And then I put on the eyeshadow. So I put red eyeshadow first. I couldn't really do a cut crease because 10 to 15 minutes left, right? And I'm gonna slowly add some golds. You see where I didn't add any eyeshadow closer to my eyelids? That's where I'm gonna add the golden, and you will see that shortly. Dang, I filmed this mad quick, but the quality looks good and the makeup's cute and simple, so I'm happy with it. Yeah, get into it. Black Velma. This is me getting ready for my cosplay beach day with my friends. And I matched with my girl, Daphne. That's actually Alexia. I absolutely adore her. Guys, it is so important to have friends with the same hobbies as you, because then you can share a common passion. I am so grateful for my girl. Stay tuned for more videos with us because you will definitely see her in more future videos. And if you want to see more of our cosplays, check out the Instagram. Hello, because we ate that scrumdiddly yum yum. I also just want to give my thanks to Alexia. I actually met her. Short story time, y'all. I'm definitely not doing this to get the 8 minutes in for monetization. But anyhow, I met Alexia going to Anime North Halloween. If you didn't know, that is the obviously anime convention in Toronto. So I was dressed up as Liz. I made a YouTube video about that. And Tareen was dressed up as Def the Kid from Soul Eater as well. So, you know, we're kind of twinning from the same universe or whatever. Then we see a girl in cosplay on the train platforms and I'm like, oh my gosh, that's a cosplayer. I usually don't see many cosplayers in my area and it's a black cosplayer too, so I'm like, dang, I wish you could talk to her. And I was with my other friend there at the time, Amanda, and Amanda was like, girl, y'all should just go and talk to her, go find her. So we literally ran down the train tracks and we spot her and we're just like, we just want to say we love your costume. And she just kept chatting it out with us. She's like, oh my gosh, I love y'all's costume. I'm like, are you going to Anime North Halloween? She's like, yeah, are y'all? And we're like, yeah, oh my god. And then as we're winning the train, she just came and sat with us. And we're completely ourselves because something I did Tareen thinks is outrageous. I was hungry because I got my hair done the day of the anime convention. So I barely ate. I had the beignets in a Ziploc bag and watermelons in a Ziploc bag. So I pulled open my beignets. Tareen ate some, I ate a few. Amanda said she was good. And I pulled open my watermelons and Tareen's like, nah, this is too ghetto. You cannot do this in front of our new friend. But she really just accepted us. She's like, girl, that's fine. And plus the watermelons were good. Tareen still talks about it till this day. She's like, girl, they were so freaking good and refreshing because they were cold. I know you're thinking, ew, it's probably soggy. But no, it was cold and fresh. Emphasis on the fresh. Because I had put it in my I had put in a Ziploc bag that was next to my ice cold water bottle, so it worked out perfectly. So we ate those in beignets and that was basically our dinner for today. So when I definitely came back from the anime convention, I I really ate so I just ate whatever we have for dinner. I remember coming home at like what, I don't know if it was in the AMs or midnight. I really don't remember, but yeah, just I'm a hungry belly. That's really it. Story time of a hungry belly. Yeah. Y'all just trying to get my minutes in because unfortunately that video was short. It was like 2 minutes. And I'm like, dang, I had to make it a little longer. So just me chatting it up. This is me yapping. This is Miss Kabumba's yap session. But on another note, I will be making more animations. I'm literally working on one that I started in January, but things got crazy with work and school and life in general. But I'm very grateful, and I have to really just come back and summarize more of my 2013, because meeting Alexia, that was last year, and I never even told y'all that story of how I met that cosplayer and how I meet people in the strangest way sometimes, and I think it's kind of funny. Like, I have a lot of random story times coming up with like men, with friends, with life, and I think you guys are gonna enjoy it. It's some fun stuff, you know. Should I read my lineup to y'all? I'll read my lineup to y'all. Okay, I have one called Life Be Lifing. That's gonna come up in August, God willing, because life do be lifing, but it's more of a positive video, so I hope you guys enjoy that one. And then I have another one that's called, oh my gosh, He Had a Way? Not clickbait. What? Yeah. I have another one. It's called I Had a Sugar Daddy. If you know, you know. I feel like my friends know about this one. The time my job scammed me. Ooh. Y'all, the animation story lineup's going to go crazy. He manipulated me. Wow. Scam emails. Oh, that one's really funny. All right, what else we got here? I said, why don't men leave women alone? I know it's not a misandrous video. None of these are misandrous videos. They're just fun little story times. Another one. Why in the hell would he post this? I'm probably not gonna say why in the hell. I'm just gonna say, why would he post this? Yeah. Some interesting stories for y'all. Alright. We reached our 8 minutes, y'all. Thank you once again, my lovelies, for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell to be notified of my weekly uploads. Yeah, weekly. We posted 2 videos this week. The next one coming out Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. 3 videos this week. Love you.